The fourth characteristic is concurrency. Concurrency is a feature that allows multiple programs to be executed at the same time. Let us see what is the role of concurrency in distributed application. For some programs, we need to run them in different machines across the network. Among the reasons that we need to do this, because we need to process a huge data or our computing process is resource intensive. Processing them using single machine would consume a lot of time. Therefore, we divided the data into a few concurrent processes and assigned them to different machines on the network. The output from each machines are combined so that we can get a single coherent result. This is achieved through communication and interactions between the programs to exchange the data. We choose for concurrency to reduce latency. That is, the time that we have to wait until the process is finished. Besides that, concurrency helps us to increase the throughput of the distributed system. Software for server usually need to implement concurrency.